I got you today. Here's the other thing. We're getting a lot of energy with the winds as well. In fact, that's why I wanted to pull up this Bee Cave camera, our covert Bee Cave auto mall camera overall, because we've seen some of the stronger winds. In fact, you can even see it with the flags there right over the temperature. 72 degrees at this point for Bee Cave. I do also want to show that there's some severe weather that's picking up in the northern part of the state of Texas, in North Texas, going into the Panhandle. A line of thunderstorms that have built up. We're able to see some severe thunderstorm warnings. You may be asking yourself, isn't this the same spot that we saw some thunderstorms yesterday? It is. There's a stationary front in the area that's causing some instability. And so because of that, we're already starting to see a few thunderstorms. So if you're probably wondering, what does that mean for us? Well, we do expect for a stationary front to arrive. That's what's going to be causing a lot of the instability over the next couple of days. And that's what we've been watching overall. So bring it back here to home. And other than some drizzle and a little bit of showers that we saw near the radar, which is a little harder to see because of what we call ground clutter, there has been a few little streamer showers that came through Georgetown, Round Rock, and Pflugerville. Didn't forget about you, Pflugerville. I know you're there, and I know you're watching. But temperatures right now, 74 degrees, winds coming in from the south-southeast at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Humidity at about 85%, so it's still a tad muggy outside. Rain chances do pick up, though, and in fact, I raised the numbers as we get into Friday, kind of lowered them for Wednesday, picked them up a bit for Thursday, and then really ramped them up on Friday based off of the models that I've been seeing. And overall, we just need to be prepared for a few possible thunderstorms. So I brought up our HRRR model so that way you could see. I did mention earlier that we were in that category 1 for a majority of central Texas, and then a portion in category 2, which would be Lampasas, Burnett, Williamson County, and Milam County. And this is why. Let's play this out. So we could see some more off and on showers throughout the day today. That's something we were already anticipating. But this is why the SPC has bumped up most of this northern portion here within that category 2. And that's because there could be a line of thunderstorms that come in. That doesn't mean that all of us won't be affected in one way or another. It just means the strongest parts could be farther up towards the north. This model, I think, is being a little overboard here, but I wanted to show it to you anyway, because this model actually still has a line of those thunderstorms coming through within Metro and Eastern County. So just keep that in mind as we go through. And then Thursday, we get another round of that. So what do I talk about when I mean severe? We're talking about the possibility of some strong hail, or some quarter-size hail, some stronger winds, and then possibility of some localized flooding if we get enough rainfall. Tornadoes don't look like they're going to be in this equation as well. And as we look at our graph model, this says by Thursday, 4:30, we get another round of seeing possible showers that could come through. So that's what we've been talking about, and that's what we're going to continue to show you. Better be prepared than not prepared. As we look at your 7-day forecast, we do have a front that's going to come in Friday into Saturday. That'll take us back down to 80 degrees, and rain chances continue through next week.